Welcome to a look inside. Today's feature is the portal's dynamic checklist. The permit application portal guides you through the process of submitting your required documents. Each item has a status bar indicating the total uploads necessary to move on to the next item. Locate the file requested on your computer and upload to the portal. The dynamic checklist will display a green arrow in the left margin when you are ready to move on. If you're unsure or need extra help, instructions and links to brochures with more information are available. When your dynamic checklist displays all green arrows, the Submit Application button will turn blue, allowing you to submit your completed application.